Missing a bolt right there. I think it might be the oil. Is that the motor mount? Pretty sure it is. I don't know what's going on with my car, but it seems to be leaking oil. And it's missing a bolt, so the seal's probably bad on it. Is that a fucking hole right there? What is that too? Oh, that sucks. Transmission looks like it got a little bit of oil on it. Not quite sure. There's the drive. There's the motor mount right there. And I don't see where. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Here's the other motor mount. It's way different what they said in fucking online to do. Yeah, because you have this box in the way. It is a Honda motor. Well, hold up. Let's take another look. Look-see, shall we? Makes no sense to me. That looks like it got... Look, that's blown out right there, Frankie. Bad. Bad seal. A lot of shit wrong with the car, bro. Not I paid that much for it. Nice car. But it's a really nice car. See on dash 140. New radio. New everything.